If you're over 60, listen closely, because this could change the way you age. Every day, your legs quietly lose a little more strength. You might not notice it at first. One day, standing up from a chair feels just a bit tougher. A few months later, climbing stairs leaves you a little out of breath. And before you know it, even short walks start to feel like real effort. This isn't just getting older. It's something far more serious, muscle loss. It happens slowly, silently, and most people don't even see it coming until it's already affecting their balance, mobility, and independence. Here's a surprising truth. Your legs are usually the first to weaken, and when they do, your balance suffers, your confidence drops, and the risk of falling skyrockets. But the good news is, it's never too late to rebuild your strength, and you don't need a gym to do it. You can start right at your kitchen table. Because while exercise is vital, the right foods can be just as powerful, sometimes even more. So today, we'll uncover 6 science-backed foods that help rebuild muscle, protect your bones, and keep your legs strong, steady, and full of life. No matter your age yet, so make sure you stay with me until the very end. Because the number one food on this list is something almost every senior already has in their kitchen, but very few people actually use the right way. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, how old are you and where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments below. It always makes my day to see where our senior Vital Health family is tuning in from around the world. All right, let's begin. Here are 6 science-backed foods that help keep your legs strong, flexible, and full of life. 1. Eggs, the simple powerhouse. Eggs are one of nature's most perfect foods, especially for anyone who wants to stay strong, active, and steady with age. Inside that little shell is a complete package of nutrients your body depends on every single day. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, the exact ones your muscles need to repair and grow. As we get older, our body becomes less efficient at rebuilding muscle after daily use. That's where eggs come in. Every time you eat them, you're giving your muscles the building blocks they need to stay firm and flexible, like sending tiny repair crews through your body to restore what time is quietly taken away. But eggs don't just feed your muscles. They're also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, a nutrient many older adults are missing without even realizing it. Low vitamin D can leave you tired, drain your energy, and even affect your balance. So if you've been feeling a little unsteady when walking or getting up from a chair, just 1 or 2 eggs a day could help boost your vitamin D naturally and bring back that steady, confident feeling in your legs. There's also choline, another powerful nutrient found in eggs. It helps your nerves and muscles talk to each other, improving coordination and reaction time. That means every step you take feels smoother, more controlled, and more confident. And the best part? You don't need to complicate it. Enjoy eggs however you like. Scramble for breakfast, hard-boiled as a quick snack, or mix with your favorite vegetables in a light, colorful omelet. Simple, natural, and incredibly effective to such a simple habit. Yet it can make a huge difference over time. Just 1 or 2 eggs a day can help rebuild your muscles, strengthen your bones, and keep you feeling steady, balanced, and independent for years to come. Sometimes the most powerful solutions don't come from expensive supplements or complicated diets. They come from the humble, natural foods we've known and loved all along. 2. Salmon, the muscle restorer. Now let's talk about another incredible food, salmon. If you're over 60 and want to keep your body strong and mobile, salmon deserves a regular spot on your plate. As the years pass, your body naturally slows down when it comes to repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue. That's why simple things, like climbing stairs or carrying groceries, can start to feel heavier than they used to. But here's the good news. Salmon helps reverse that process. It's rich in high-quality protein, the kind your muscles can easily absorb and use for rebuilding. Every bite of salmon is like pure fuel for your body's repair system, helping restore strength, stability, and energy where time has quietly worn it down. And that's just the beginning, because salmon doesn't stop at protein. It also contains powerful nutrients that help your muscles recover faster, your joints move easier, and your body stay active and capable no matter your age. What makes salmon truly stand out is its rich supply of omega-3 fatty acids, the healthy fats that do so much more than protect your heart. These natural oils help calm inflammation throughout your body, and that's a game changer, because inflammation is one of the silent culprits behind muscle pain, stiffness, and that slow, heavy feeling after even light activity. When inflammation eases and your circulation improves, more oxygen and nutrients can finally reach your muscles and joints where they're needed most. The result? Less soreness, faster recovery, and smoother, more comfortable movement with every step you take. If your knees or hips often ache, or your legs feel weak after a short walk, omega-3s from salmon can help bring that strength and comfort back naturally. No pills required. And there's more. Salmon is packed with vitamin B12, a vital nutrient your body uses to turn food into energy you can actually feel. It supports your nerves, your blood flow, and your stamina, helping you stay active, steady, and energized well into your golden years. They're not just nutrients, they're your body's repair tools. Each bite helps your muscles recover, keeps your joints flexible, and gives you the lasting energy to move through your day with ease. Think of every meal as a small investment in your strength, a daily choice to help your body keep walking, standing tall, and living with confidence at any age. Start simple. Stay consistent. You'll be amazed at how quickly your steps feel steadier, your legs stronger, and your body more capable than you thought possible. If this video helped you, please tap that like button. It truly supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more easy science-backed tips to stay strong, mobile, and independent. I'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.